Hello everyone. Now I would like to show you a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
What have you learned about a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. The words in a sentence have to be in proper order to make complete sense. The first word must begin with a capital letter. A full stop must be placed at the end of a sentence. Examples: full apples, the basket is off. The basket is full of apples. Now read these groups of words. At 10 o'clock, in a corner, in the east, by day, at daybreak, for 2 hours, on the table, in the west, by night, in the daytime. Do these words make complete sense? No, they do not. But they do make some sense. Such groups of words are called phrases. Notice two things about these groups of words. They do not have a subject. They do not have a verb. Learn. A sentence has a verb in it. A phrase does not.
There is some error in the sentence given below. Find the error and rewrite sentence. Jaya has a lost circle of friends. They took the children to the circus. Christmas cake is covered with margarine and ice cream. Diamond is a precious stone. Paisa is a coin of India, Pakistan and Nepal. You can buy stamps for the post office. His face was purple with rage. The children are playing on the merry-go-round. Suhana lives in Ramesh Nagar. Rajini is Tanua's friend. Now I will show the solutions. Click P for phrases and S for sentence for the group of words given below. By the way, praise sentence. Praise. My birthday falls on 7th May. Sentence. At the station. Praise. Without fear. Praise. I like well ventilated rooms. Sentence. In the garden. Praise. She works in a private company. Sentence. In my opinion. Praise. Mother is in the garden. Sentence. A party is to be held in the garden. Sentence. The words given below are jumbled. Put them in their right order to make meaningful sentence. To success were the on road. I will show solutions afterwards. With I will you be minute in a dog to a cat pets have I and a coach are in the traveling student and Rajini is engineering. Concert sang the Irtani solo in. Cat is for looking at grandpa pet. Competition is Johnny for the for entering. Accurately shot the Arjuna arrow. Playing children garden the or in the. Now solutions for these questions.
Kinds of sentences. You will learn that sentences can do 4 kinds of things. A sentence can make a statement as the sun rises in the east. The boys were swimming in the river. Learn. A sentence that states or declares something is called a declarative sentence or a statement. A sentence can ask a question as who has broken this glass? Where is the aeroplane? Learn. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence or a question. A sentence can give an order or make a request as Peter, shut the door. Please bring me a glass of water. Learn. A sentence that expresses a command, a request, or a desire is called an imperative sentence. A sentence can express some strong or sudden feeling as how beautiful this rose is. What a noise they are making. Learn. A sentence that expresses some strong or sudden feeling is called an exclamatory sentence or an exclamation. From the above, it is clear that every sentence begins with a capital letter. A full stop is placed at the end of every declarative sentence or imperative sentence. A question mark is placed at the end of every interrogative sentence. An exclamation mark is placed at the end of every exclamatory sentence.
Turn the following statement into interrogative statements. The rose is a beautiful flower. Jan is an intelligent girl. Ban is a classical singer. Mother is the best cook in the world. Jeevan is an engineer. Flowers bloom in a garden. Mama and Dad are watching television. Savita is a selfish girl. There is a bridge over the stream. There are several books on general knowledge in the library. Solutions. Click I for imperative and E for explanatory for the groups of words given below. Get me a glass of water. Imperative, explanatory. Imperative. How shocking your conduct is. Explanatory. May I have your pen? Imperative. Pass me the salt, please. Imperative. What a beautiful dress. Exclamatory. Do close the door as you go out. Imperative. How exciting to go on a trip. Exclamatory. I wish I could sing. Imperative. How careless you are. Exclamatory. What an achievement. Exclamatory. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.